Good morning, welcome back to Growing Family Garden. Because the forecast wasn't looking great today, I got in from work yesterday and I started to scarify the lawn, and I've cut the lawn, so that's taken a bit of a hammering, but hopefully that will all pay off in the summer when we start getting improved grass. I've got quite a few jobs that we need to get done today. I must get some power washing done because this patio at the far end of the garden is getting quite slippy, so I want to get that sorted. I must finish the weeding today as well, that's getting on my nerves. I've bought a new tool which is fantastic. I bought it this morning and I've had a little go and I'm amazed that I've not had one before. And I've been out to get another water butt so that we can collect some rainwater off our greenhouse. There was a gap in between the greenhouse and the chicken pen, and I just wanted to make sure that chickens, when they were out in the garden, couldn't get through that little gap because it goes right to my fruit hedge. We have sorted our patio out. Nice little fire going. I've wanted a water butt over here for quite some time because the chickens, when we let them out into the garden, they come through here and they go into my fruit hedge. So I've installed this. As you can see, it'll probably be filling up nicely overnight. I've also sorted this patio out. These are stunning. The whole bed after that mulch is really it's really starting to take off. I have scarified the lawn, so I've taken all the stuff out, all the moss. Well, I need to do another go over because I only had it on the highest setting, but the amount of stuff that's come out, all this in here came out the lawn. And these girls are having the time of their lives because they'll just scratch around in there for bugs. Pumpkin, Ember and Geraldine. Don't know if you can see Geraldine, Vicar of Dibley with the white collar. Where's Pepper? Pepper must not like the rain. It's taken me all day. However, I'm quite proud and we've got to a nice point where I can sit, despite the fact that it's just started raining, but I'm still going to have 5 minutes. See you later.